Hi to everyone tuning into this video. So this is us in 2026 at the Cologne Fair in Germany, and this is the International Hardware Fair. So you can see that most of the products and display are related to the hardware sector on the B2C retail sector at things, and which is why the particular product selection is very relevant for this space, and it targets the entire DIY segment, specifically in Europe, which is not based on after. So traditionally, as you all may know, we always been a B2B company, or a company that's very targeted to industrial tools. But if you see this presentation here and this entire strategy is mostly targeted towards the retail side of things, which goes more into wood cutting, stone cutting, plumbers, carpentry, real estate, construction, those kind of things, which has always been our fascination to introduce as a separate vertical. And I can say that the exhibition today is day 3, the second last day. It's been quite a success. We've had very reputed customers from Europe and world over come and visit us. Not just the distributors, but some end users and also some big box retail chains. I'm very excited to introduce certain new products. For example, our hammer drill, which is also known as SDS hammer drill or concrete drills, is something which is a big ticket item for us. We to be one of the main indigenous manufacturers of those items in India, and I think that's something which is stated for a big launch in April. So we're pretty excited about that. That's on display here. You see some of the abrasives which are also on display, which has a very booming market and a big scalability factor. And then you also have some of our high performance range you can see here, which we've traditionally always been leaders in. And that space is something which also continues to grow in Europe for us, because that's always been our main bread and butter. And then you can see, even for example, some of our files which is there here. We were one of the first people to be in the file space in India as well, since so many years back. And we also have a few masonry drills which we are also displaying here. We are one or two only manufacturers in India of masonry drills. So I think that's another thing that we see here. And yeah, great to be here. We're always participating in most of the hardware fairs globally, as well as in India. And we continue to remain very strong and enthused on the segment, and we'll continue to keep showing our presence in the pockets of the globe where these kind of expos happen, specifically with the hardware segment, which is what we're here to display today. And and look forward to interacting with everyone who is connected to the brand, and keep showing up and introducing new products for you as time goes along, and keep surprising the market with our well engineered and well researched products catering to a specific market need. Thanks so much.